Showers and thunderstorms could be affecting nearby islands and possibly have an effect on the Turks and Caicos, so it reflects recent updates from the National Hurricane Center. According to the website, the latest storm in the Atlantic Ocean could dump heavy rains and bring about thunderstorms to Hispaniola and the U.S. Gulf Coast. The website shows that the current low-pressure system has the potential of forming into a tropical cyclone as it moves northward away from Hispaniola tonight. It still has the possibility of bringing flash floods and mudslides to that country. The system is expected to turn into a subtropical cyclone and bring about high surfs, strong winds, and coastal flooding, as well as dangerous rip currents to the United States Gulf Coast.